This is dangerous heat for people, for animals, and for machinery. And it's just the beginning of what will be a sweltering stretch. Many people are just trying to get by any way they can. Opening the oven is nearly unbearable. Inside a searing hot second-floor apartment without air conditioning, the freezer is the only small space for relief.
I usually get like a water bottle or something, once it's frozen, just rub it on me, try to get through.
Getting through is relative. A singular fan.
For the most part, that's about the most you can get as far as like air circulation.
And a cross breeze is the best they can hope for. The hum of a cooling air conditioning unit is a pricey luxury stylists and many people just can't afford. Even the sweltering breeze on an overpass bench is some kind of air circulation.
It's better than what my house feels like right now.
The record-setting heat hovering close to 100 degrees is punishing, forcing cooling mechanisms, even CTA trains, to quit under duress.
We get a lot of cars with AC, air conditioning problems and stuff like that.
Cars in need of cooling repairs have filled the lot of this Berwyn mechanic shop. Hovering over a hot engine makes a laborious job all the more taxing, enough to call the day a little early.
It'll be good for the guys to, cool off and, go home early.
It's going to be a long, hot week.
Run my cold water on there, let it run, and then just, I like throughout the day, like I do this, just wash my face, back of my neck.
Piecing together any cooling reprieve is a matter of survival. Doctors say keeping your body temperature cool in temperatures like this can be particularly challenging. Staying hydrated, they say, is the single most important thing. And also knowing when to seek medical help before your body gets too taxed.
Watch breaking news on YouTube. Subscribe to ABC7 Chicago Eyewitness News.